Look where you're going.
Where is that plant? What is my karma? Okay, it's raising. That's good, but I'm also risking on being ambushed by the one company.
Huh? Yeah.
The pipes are all fixed, okay.
Well, I'll be. The pressure's up in the plant. It looks like all the leaks have been fixed. Thank you, stranger. Thank you. But listen, it's only a matter of time before they burst again. And someone like you, I'll give you caps for any scrap metal you can bring me. You'll find it all over the place. If I have a steady supply of scrap, I can keep the plant running.
Oh, well, I don't know. I need them more than I need caps. I'm sorry. Sounds good to me, but I think...
Good! This just keeps looking better. Those parts will keep this place running and the town in fresh water. Hurry back as soon as you find some.
What, did they really sell them? Sell him with scrap metal. That was a misunderstanding. No, I think, yeah, I didn't sell them. I'm not carrying any scrap metal. Anyway, I can check it out. So now I don't have any. And here. Yep, okay. That was just a reward, okay. Nice of you. And I got some XP, I don't know how many. I should award it to myself.
What brings you back to Megaton?
Ungrateful bitch. So, okay, let's do this. Oh, a workbench. How nice. All this stuff I can sell. Or nothing. Yeah, stuff for selling. Very small. Shouldn't even kill anything. I can actually bring into function those 308 battle rifles. FWE+FOOK+A. It's on my mind, which I can use instead of M4. Which I may need if I get encountered by a behemoth, for example. You saw that how I needed a high DPS weapon. Okay, and I can try to repair further my... You see now, with my current repair skill, I get plus 9%. And when I get my repair skill to 100, I'll get plus 10%. That's one thing that makes me wanna wait. I should really take my chances. Every millimeter of armor thickness counts a lot. And 1% is really not much. So I'm gonna repair my helmet. And now my helmet thickness is above 15. Well, that's proper. And I'm gonna need some more power armor repair kit anyway. I can do it, make them right away. I need conductors. And now let's see how many scrap metals I have. 46. And I said... No, that's a bad idea actually. Because at my current repair skill, I'll get Get 3 of them, and when my repair skill is 100, I'll get 4 of them. But then again, my repair skill will never get to 100 because I have this toolkit, and I'll never. And what counts is permanent repair skill. Okay, I don't need to do it right away. This carpet I don't need. And that also. I don't need that workbench, I think. Okay, finally. Got ready to sleep. And tomorrow morning I'm going to Evergreen Mills. Let's hope for some good weather. So, anything else I need to do? I don't think so. Okay, it appears, finally. How much time I spent in more than an hour? Come on. I really don't know, should I upload this on YouTube? You can skip it always if you find it boring. You see that I'm inside just managing the things. I say some things when I do this stuff, that's why I keep it. Some stuff that might be important. Might be. Okay, let's take this off. Go to some sleep. So 12 hours. It's one. I think I'm gonna see delays. So it's 7 more. Let's hope for some good weather. Okay, I need to eat a little bit. Don't be so angry. Come on, how much time you need? Yeah, I can fit my power armor in the meantime. Until I realize how much I need to drink. So slow. Please don't break again. Okay, I can do it once more. So let's hope for some good weather. Okay, at least it's not raining. So fucking. Oh, it's not raining, but it's snowing. Should have gone to Evergreen Mills yesterday. I knew I would have bad weather. So I'm gonna make a save here and yesterday proceed tomorrow. I really hope tomorrow I'm gonna make it. I want that end up like.
What's the big
today.
idea?
But okay, I killed a behemoth today. So I think I got 5,000 XP. I mean,
Hello.
it's not bad at all. Okay, that's it for today.